Factoring polynomials. The question here is, find two integers with the product of 42 and a sum of 17. Now this strategy of finding two integers with product and sum is extremely important to factor any trinomial, right? So I'll show you a technique here, and we will use prime factorization or factoring tree to figure out what should be there which can satisfy this condition. So we are looking for two numbers whose product is 42. So we can draw factor tree for 42. So 42 can be written as, for example, 6 times 7. If you add 6 and 7, you get 13 but not 17. So we are looking for two integers with a product of 42 and a sum of 17. So that is not satisfying our condition. So let's factor further. Now we can factor 6 as 2 times 3. So you remember, in this factoring team, whenever we factor, all these factors 2 times 3 times 7 will give us 42. We are looking for a combination which could give us sum as 17. So from here we can make a combination which can do our job. For example, if I club this, 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 gives us 17. Do you see that? So we have two numbers whose product is 42. So we have 7 times 2 as 14, right? So one number is 14, the other number is 3, right? The other number is 3. So we get 7 times 2, 14, and the other number is 3. So 14 times 3 will give us 42. Well, when you add 14 and 3, you do get 17. Do you see that? So we have product of two numbers p and q, which is 14 and q is 3. So the two numbers are, let's say, p and q, whose product is 42 and sum is 17. So p is 14 and 3 is q. So these are the two numbers which could give us the required result. And as you can see, factoring out the number which is the product helps in finding such numbers, right? So let me give you additional problem here to work. So I need you to figure out two numbers, let us say p and q, whose product is, let us say, a number like 96 and whose sum is 22. So find that out. So let that be an exercise for you, as I've already solved a question, right? Follow this strategy and see if you can figure out set of numbers which are integers whose product is 96 and whose sum is 22. Thank you.